TikTok Shop Dropshipping Tutorial. Make money with TikTok Shop Dropshipping. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about and showing you guys how you will be able to make money through TikTok Shop. And we will be showing you this method called dropshipping. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have been familiar or already is familiar with the term dropshipping because a lot of people are actually using it even today. It first became very popular during the pandemic, where a lot of people are actually utilizing dropshipping because a lot of people are ordering online products from home. And so we will be showing you in today's video how you will be able to do it with TikTok. Now, there's a lot of platforms out there that would allow you to create some connection between the TikTok shop and their platform. And some of the platforms that I have over here on our screen are some of the well-known or most well-known platforms that a lot of people are actually using as well. So over here, you have the most well-known, which is Shopify, basically the greatest place, or rather, it's one of the very best place where different platforms are actually able to integrate with each other. Our second platform over here that you could use for dropshipping with TikTok is CG Dropshipping as well. As you can see, you already know in the name, it's specifically for dropshipping. And then you have Printful over here. This is more on print-on-demand products, but they also do dropshipping because they will be the one sending the products to your customers, depending on how you set it up. And Printify over here, similar setup with Printful over here. Now, these four platforms over here are platforms that I suggest that you guys use if you're planning to set up your TikTok shop dropshipping. And the way it works, the way dropshipping works is that when someone orders from your TikTok shop, they will be able to, or rather, you will be able to receive the orders. And depending on which platform you connected it to, for example, dropshipping or CG dropshipping over here, if you added, let's say, this product over here to your TikTok shop, once someone orders through your TikTok shop, you no longer need to do anything. CG Dropshipping will receive the order themselves and process the orders for you right away, and they will be the one who send the product. It is that simple and that amazing. Although right now, there's not that many platforms out there that allows integration between TikTok shop. So I made sure that these four platforms over here already have existing integration to make it easier for you guys. So first things first, over here in Shopify, to be able to connect your TikTok with Shopify, you can simply click over here under apps, under sales channels over here, and simply search for TikTok. By searching TikTok, you will be able to search all related apps or features that are actually built to allow you to integrate your Shopify store with TikTok. Now, why is Shopify one of our options? Like I mentioned earlier in our example, Shopify allows integration between different platforms. So, for example, we have a platform, let's say Lazada, if you're familiar with that. That platform does not support any dropshipping just yet. There is no connection or there is no feature that would allow us to actually connect it with TikTok. But in Shopify, all we need to do is to connect TikTok through the different apps over here. For example, we have this one over here, Quick Sync for TikTok, which basically allow us to, as you can see here, import and export products with the different information. This is the most important section over here, meaning any product that we have over here in Shopify will be transmitted and posted into your TikTok shop. And so, if you connected your Lazada or any e-commerce platform that you know and want to use with Shopify, and you could import products from them, it will automatically register as well and transfer it to TikTok shop. So Shopify will serve as your bridge between the two platforms. We also have CG Dropshipping over here. The way you will be able to connect CG Dropshipping with your TikTok is by simply clicking on your My CJ over here on the top. It's very easy to find, so you guys won't be confused. But anyway, after that, simply I'll look over here on the left side. You have store authorization. CG Dropshipping is one of the many, or one of the few actually, platforms that now supports TikTok shops. As you can see here, there we go. We have the TikTok shop option over here. There we go. So simply click on add store and follow the required process or follow the step-by-step process for you to be able to connect it. Although it's not going to be hard, all you need to do is to log into your TikTok shop through your CJ Dropshipping over here. And once you have successfully connected your CJ Dropshipping, you can actually take advantage of the current events, for example, this one over here, and check out events that are happening right now. Maybe like this one, Chinese New Year. You can check out products that are currently trending based on the current events. And to be able to add product or import it to your TikTok shop, for example, I would like this one over here. I could view this. There we go. And over here, you will be able to see information such as connect. And as you can see, if I hover, you will be able to see like mini information about this. But the important one is the list over here, meaning you will be able to add products to your store. For example, if I select that, there we go. And your TikTok shop should appear over here under stores. If you connected it, you will be able to see it as one of the options. And you can check out the different information like the product type, collection, the different variants of your selected product. And you can simply click on list now, which will automatically transmit it to your TikTok shop over here. And now we also have some of the print of demands or print on demands that I have suggested earlier or talked about earlier. You will be able to create your own designs and start selling them to your TikTok shop. So if you're someone who creates customized items or customized products, you could take advantage of Printful or Printify over here. Personally, for me, I like Printify more. I find it easier to handle. As you can see here, there's a lot of products that I have tested out before over here. And you could easily publish your created item to your selected store, which is TikTok shop over here. To connect it, you can simply click on my new store over here, manage my stores, add new store, and as you can see here, TikTok US is available. Now this is only available for the US version, but as you can notice here, we have Shopify over here. So now you could even use Shopify as your middleman as well. So you could connect it to Shopify, and any product you import from Printify will also be added to your TikTok depending on the type of application you have installed for your TikTok app. The process is very similar to Printful. To be able to add it, simply look over here on the left side. You will be able to find, you should be able to find your own account over here where you will be able to connect it with your store as well. So, and there we go, stores. There we go, then choose platform. And as you can see here, scrolling down a bit, as you can see, TikTok shop is available for us to connect here. It is a marketplace on the fastest growing social media platform right now. So that's a great place as well. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to do drop shipping with your different platforms. I suggested different platforms for you guys. The products that you search depends on you. A lot of products are great, but a lot of products are bad as well. So do your research, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.